की खबर द कई पाथों की विदुनी हौजी कुकिंग गैस मैम अखोगी मणिपुर की गवर्नमेंट की फॉरेस्ट एंड एनवायरनमेंट की मैसेज आदेगी इंडिया की प्राइम मिनिस्टर की मैसेज तोंगान तोंगानबा अखोई क्लाइमेट चेंज की मैसेज मैम सिंसिना उजला मैम लाक्तना गैस कनेक्शन मैम फंगनगिदना खोललिंदना अखोगी फॉरेस्ट की क्लाइमेट चेंज लेइबा मैम सिंसी कोकनब हाइदना हौजी थाइना चनरंबा चाखुम दा लैरंग सारगा चाक थोंगम सिंदु अमता लेखिद्रबनी गैस कनेक्शन ngakta ngai hauji gas phangde ai sama gas agency ni adu agency leijeyaba adu huji tha amada nongmada load ani pirambasina adi hapta amada chama yankai gumba cylinder se gari load tangkhai phadabi chama pi then aduri akhoi ariba agency 30000 gas consumer lei cham yankai pira kra yeni adurudi masai lising ani changwa lising ahum lising ani chanipan ai thokno wari praja sinchi aduna masigi hairiba pochai moman hengat pasi yengchenabana hairiba se praja da minamba amani masi amen ta hunjani akhoi price inflation si pochai gi moman hengat pasi control to ngamdre irang sina haibanu bu hen phajai haini khanjai aba aduna masi amen ta hunjani masi asengna I'm coming to the point sir last ai atai yamna chachararoi aduga aina amen tawjariba motion si road map adagi the real core issue hojik manipur da thoiba saraina point si laktingai da gi amendment motion si laktingai da honorable speaker gi permission lojaraga house da leibiriba masung house dagi relate tawbiraga tabiriba manipur gi parja myam punamakta aigi oibo hai amatang sargi permission lojaraga thamjiri madudi hingsana karigumba kanab amata purakhide akhoi solution ama resolve tawre harga solution ama poraga wakhal khandhanari harga da nungsi chanana akhoi hanagi phibam da hanjilakna ba through honorable speaker through this August House aina su appeal su tawjari aduga ai point laksege sir road map si ngasi honorable governor gi address sida department khara scheme khara adagi irang sina me gi tang ahum dagi thokraba matungda leiriba internet displaced persons mayam awaba relief came the lady mishi mina madugi compensation madugi relief adagi district administration ga taw thaba khara pan badani sar atai health ki paikhatpa sahi bagi policy program panba works ki paikhatpa khara sumaina namna normal oiba podamani hauzik sir thamjaningi ba lai ba wafamdi manipur ki si ngasi sini haiba ngamde hayeng kari tholkani tamba ngamde akhoi manipur sida kanabu government sina security protection pibiri kanabu life and property ki protection pibiri karamba agency na akhoi honorable members sing including the ministers chief minister honorable chief minister gi khangdre akhoi mayam ki protection sibu kanana protect tobigini it is a very much important questions to us masi punamakse masi sigi amadi periphery area da leiriba adagi khun thangnariba jaga mayam singsida thengnariba mayam delhi government high adagi state government high security force thajalli ngai somdana yum kaya masing thingamdana amuk mai thagre high adagi somdana shanti hanjale high hek hairu baga nongan baga brang ta tawri adun di sa road map si ngasi gi yamna maru oiba discussion on the motion of things sida second tawbidiba honorable member mahangna su nongma platform amda haibigi ai maming panjaba nate suggestion akhoi opposition degi suggestion pibirakpadi phagani aduga political oina ngangba pharoi haina haibi khibasu lei adusu adum court tawjage aina madu sounding ba natraga phai natraga phate ni criticize tawunati. We are coming to the issues sida aikhoigi leader Rahul Gandhi ji Manipur ki awana hangba lakpa sida masi politics ni suggestion thaubiramde hangba lakpa sina solution porakadra haibasi adum aikhoigi members singdagi karigumba platform da hairpasu dum yawi honorable members ministers sing hairpasu yawi. Sir, road map si kanana puthokadabano governor gi honorable governor gi address sida road map si government amagi accountability and the responsibility masida palliba khara sidi aikhoi tangai phadana pallibani road map se government na pigidabani aikhoi gi opposition na suggestion tawa aikhoi di handak lairiba situation sidadi MLA oiba su tokjarage tangai phadrabadi hai aikhoi gi ideology aikhoi gi principle madu punamak sacrifice tawa nataba with the strength of our ideology and our the principle aikhoi madu mayam do aikhoi leijaraga government si ki tarokpa matam da aikhoi pandaf masin banau manga aikhoi na matam punamak ta lawi aikhoi sarkar si gi MLA yankhai ga manga leibasida aikhoi ga hapsalaga humphuni aduna aikhoi na tawjoba yaba mayam leirabasu haibiyu haibasi honorable leader of the house ki
honorable member point
ni lakchari
amendment do ne point do kai
amendment ni aina tawna haijaduri si road map ni aina road map ki wafam ji government degi lawjaduri ni ai sidi si point ni sidi aikhoi gi right ni nganggo gi honorable speaker na pb gi ni khanjai
nadi right bise da baina te da
aduna
tajabado
road map si sarkar sina Miam Prajada amasung aikhoi honorable members sing sida PB gedabane in case Congress party da or aikhoi opposition da piu hairabadi leibak si aikhoi na ngaka da buda ngayaba adu natabida sarkar sina leibak si ngai ibnina popular government leibina madugi responsibility samvidhana pidiba life and property ngakpa haibasi government ki responsibility oibnina road map haibasi su government na puthokpi gedabani haibasi ni aina mayam aikhoi na karigumba kanda congress ta haidna honorable speaker sumain tawduna hairakpasi aikhoi na suggestion taw hairabasu tawbadi yai adum aikhoi na su all political party meeting kaya tawsi haibasi adum sarkar da aikhoi na puthokjabasu lei appointment su lawi uju unajai adagi ahanwa megi tang ahum horpadasu honorable aikhoi gi self leader amasung ai isa yawraga honorable leader of the house to sudum akoi haijai masi all political party tawbi haibasi akoi suggestion ni aduga masi resolve tawnana ba pot tawsi life ngaksi haibasi aikoi na zum suggestion di tawi adubu aikoi da karibu kanda road map si aikoi na puthokpiu haigedabadi nati haina ina thamjabani aduga sarkar na aikoi da puthokpira kanda honorable members in CCD pangbirabadi phagani haina haibirak pasingdu sarkar na pigedaba solution ama resolve tawnaba honabada road map sidi sarkar na pibigedabani haibasi aina khanjabani aduna honorable governor ki address sida road map pande karamba mongda concrete resolve ama tawnanabagi solution si pande awabagi anabagi relief ki lupa lakh asukal crore asukai thokpa adagi lambi gi thongi health ki adu taw haiba government ki policy khradi yawi sahijimagi adubu leiriba hujiki yamna maru oiba violence ga maru oiba poti road map ti pandi hain khali ani subada road map si sarkar na pibiyu sini aduga ani subada core issues hujik thoiba thaudo wathok adagi violence gi mari lene core issue aina core issue 1 core issue 2 aina thamjage ahanba core issue da honorable leader of the house na core issue haibasi karino haina haibasi honorable leader of the house na honorable Speaker sir, Honorable Leader of the House na thammi. News 9 dasu what is core issue thammi. Yes, I show to the khagi. Core issue si Honorable Leader of the House na thammi si Manipur the solution nama pork na haibasi. Core issue si karino haibasi am clear in a thammi. I mangar hanjan na tare. What is the core issue of the Honorable Leader of the House? Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur karino haibasi. Honorable Leader of the House na core issue si sumaina thambi. Manipur ki issue si Myanmar diki changakpa illegal immigrants singna thokhan bani. Adudagi changaga forest area singda laikhraga poppy plantation tawrei forest kok thorei. Aduna madugi potu thingnanaba hotnabadagi madugi thabaksidagi irangsi tholkhibini haibasi. This was the core issues of the Honorable Chief Minister in the exclusive interview of the News 9. Aduna masigi core issues si karigumba kanda akhoigi handakta nauna kakhiba Honorable MP singna Parliament da wangang bada core issue thamde haidana BJP gi spokesperson singna core issue thamde hai. Anu core issue si masigi matang da Honorable Leader of the House na haibine Congress ta core issue puthokte haibine adagi core issue di Honorable Leader of the House thamgi bagi matang sida core issue si sir illegal immigration si kanana tawgadabno. I am coming to the core issues. Illegal immigration si immigrants hai masi kanana thingadabno aduga karamba pampai na thingadabno haibasi aina suggestion oina tawjarabada sir masidi central government ga maramdi foreigners mayam change hairabanina adu masidi state government gi magi active intervention and central government gi matengna masi illegal immigration changak masidi thingadabni haina aidi laujai because we have our law, we have our constitutions that is there in the constitution, that is Foreigner Act. Illegal immigrant foreigners changak bahaibani adrugadi karigidamakta sarkar asina madugi matam chana mafam chana madu dictate taunanaba deport taunanaba with the help of our act akhoi law of the land madugi karigi haptagi thagi sahigi karigi illegal immigrant changi haibasi foreigner act palaga karigi matam chana tawbidabano haibasi di that is the accountability of the government and the responsibility maram maduna sir madugi foreigner act sigi makhada loinamak akhoi hana act ama semaga law lejaraba since independence foreigner act is there adugi pochi karigidamakta Dr. S. Jaisankar, Honorable Minister of External Affairs, and also Matamdugi External Affairs State Tagisu Minister Oiramba Sahimanga External Affairs Minister Leramaga. Core issue haina Leader of the House na putoi bise masi akhoigi infiltration of the illegal immigrants na hairaga akhoigi own External Minister, External Affairs Minister laiba. Akho state tagi then aduga double engine BJP gi lenga asigi center da external affairs ta matam piraga karigi matam gi hairiba mayam singsi thingna bi hogdabno thingbi hogdabno adagi again sir karigi lenga asigi masigi core issue haina puthoiba wafam kharsida poppy plantation sibo prajana thingugodabra madugi ek lei madu thingnanabagi India gi ain lejaba ikhoigi law of the land lejaba sibo karigi miyam da haigedabno natragana kanada haigedabno natraga Congress party da haigedabno BJP lengak sigi ikhoigi India gi law lejaba si madu effectively tawba ngamdraga karigi damakta core issue si masida khoirang khoksai unadana leibiribano haibasi ai thamjiningi adu masi this was the presentation, this was the statement regarding the core issues of the Honorable Chief Minister. Adagi anisuba core issue sir aikhoina khali mi amagi value masak phajaba haibasi mi na thakkedabani ai isa itonduna ai sak yam phajai Shahrukh Khan mali Hema Malini mali haina isan thagalaga ai sak phajaba yaroi aduna sir core issue number 2 sida ina thamjaningi bidi aikhoina ujabadadi lengak asina paikhaliba lengak administration si masida aikhoigi suggestion oina core issue oina thamjaningi bidi ngasi aikhoina Manipur da thoibu irang sidi akhang hai kayana khalli akhang hai kayana thammi khabar kagas kaya da thammi Manipur da thoibu irang sidi BJP gi lengak manung dagi tholakpa irang ni haidana hai karamna hai karigi BJP gi lengak dagi tholaibano haina haiba hangawdi aigi kori susidadi Lairiba Minister Singh, Lairiba MLA Singh, Pukche namta manade. Ngasimak, ekoi nuksinana, MLA humpu mayang, natragana ruling kaktagi, ekoi opposition mga kakta tarang na, aday tanik na lejabani, ekoi kaktang hundok piramasu, BJP gi MLA yangkai mga sina.
Honorable member, warong bibadiya de kitang point do na lang.
Point ini.
This
is the core issue. This is my core issue. The core issues of the chief ministers, I understand. I am not repeating the points. City bias like we can
bias came later point the lapio.
Point in a luxury CC high the opposition, motion support or Hamachako Ibrava. A high
having point to the
core issue luxury never. A Lengaxigi BJP MLA Singha. Aikhoina ujariba core issue di lengak asidagi tholakpani chief minister oibagi lamjen adagi thajanadabagi lamjen adagi BJP gi lengak manungdagi separate administration piu haiba khuyek piraga thadorakpa masidagi tholakpa issue oigani masi han thembirabadi masi han yanarabadi why not prime minister Manipur da kawbang ngamgani khali aduga aikhoigi solution ji resolve to bungam gani khali karigumba yangkhai manga sina punna yanari hair kanda aikhoi manga su tungda dum inajara dabani sir aina tawjari bisi sir suggestion ni ai karimta kanamte gi against nati mayam si am wabadagi tawjabani aduna yangkhai manga sina yanarana Delhi da phaminagera Manipur da phaminera even in Manipur city convention center da phambakanda honorable home minister lakpiu prime minister lakpiu ekoi solution ji ekoi MLA mayam ne yanarni haiba matamda masi honorable prime minister khang lakhunga moi khale aduna kori sudi irang sigi kori sudi BJP government degi tholpani anu kori suji masi lotion ji issue ji violence lotion ji haribdi MLA yang khaimanga sing tang lotion nabiu aduga phaminabiu Honorable Prime Minister, Unabagi appointment should Pirakani, Home Minister, anytime Unabagi appointment should Pirakani. Aduna, Masigi, Horok Pamse, Honorable Leader of the House, the Piriba, Leader of the House, the Piriba core issue, Adusu Adum Yai. I quite negate of the Vanati. I quit you core issues, you love you. I quit you house. Karigumba, Imung Amada. Imung Amada, Masaga, Mamaga, Mapaga, Nupiga. Khanaba matamda imung sibu karam bakanda santi phangadagi when the normalcy when the peace is maintained in a small family then peace will come automatically same thing government sigi manungda amaga unaba hui hodonga yanadaba dona unadaraga khanaraga adu Delhi da sahi ani kem tawna leiba sidana kangbu umna leiba aduga ngasai leiba asi kramaina santi purkani maram masina core issue di masisu amani I core issue 1 honorable leader of the house core issue 1 adusu masida masi happy you adagi aikoi core issue masi happy you adurubadi lebak sida santi oirakani haibasimadi asetpa thajabase aikoi honorable speaker through the thamjari aduna aikoi masigi si happy you road map pibiu happy governor gi address sida masi amend tawbiraga adagi core issue mayam singsi honorable leader of the house na haibju happy popi khara phagatle khara yam thale haibji this is not a core issue because as you mentioned in the exclusive interview of 9 News, then core issue is not mentioning here. But when you speak about something about the core issue to other platform, then you are saying core issues. Poppy plantation na thonba, adagi immediately adu si mayam singse masi foreigner eki matungi na minister consent to biraga tim chatpiraga akhoi gi core issue si pakhat piu aduga enforce to view police enforce to view dictate to view report to view karigi foreigner ek laijaba sibu akhoi karigi atopa ek mayam amamu imply tawugni karigi amuk akhoi thiru khigani we have our own laws adugi matungina hairiba core issue honorable leader of the house na haibiribadu pakhat piu aduga madu enforce to view so that the akhoi PC soidan lakhani haibigi achet ba thajabasi akhoi thamjei ba aduna aina hajariba core issue aigi core issue honorable leader of the house ki core issue policy moina hapiu masi amend tawbiu thank you Mr. Speaker.